Myanmar military mindset toward ethnic minorities. The heart of Myanmar, a story unfolds that challenges the very fabric of unity and identity. The Myanmar military, known as the Tatmadaw, has long held a vision of national identity that aligns with the Bamar Buddhist majority, sidelining the rich tapestry of ethnic minorities. The Myanmar military, Tatmadaw, has historically maintained a rigid and highly nationalistic mindset regarding ethnicity, rooted in its interpretation of Myanmar's identity and unity. This mindset has profoundly shaped its policies and actions, especially toward ethnic minorities. Here's an overview of the military's approach to ethnicity. Bamar Buddhist nationalism. The Tatmadaw's worldview is dominated by the idea of a unified national identity, often equated with the majority Bamar ethnic group and Theravada Buddhism. This narrow vision excludes Myanmar's diverse ethnic groups and religious communities, leading to systemic discrimination against non-Bamar and non-Buddhist populations, such as the Rohingya, Chin, Kachin, Shan, and others. View of ethnic groups as threats. The military has historically viewed ethnic minorities as a threat to national unity. Many ethnic groups have long sought greater autonomy or self-determination, which the Tatmadaw sees as challenges to its centralized authority. This has resulted in decades of armed conflict with ethnic armed organizations, especially in border regions via divide and rule tactics. The Tatmadaw has often employed divide and rule strategies to weaken ethnic unity. This includes pitting ethnic groups against one another, exploiting local grievances, and offering selective concessions to certain groups while suppressing others. Systemic marginalization. The military has institutionalized policies that marginalize ethnic minorities, denying citizenship to groups like the Rohingya, labeling them Bengali immigrants despite their long-standing presence in Myanmar, restricting access to education, healthcare, and economic opportunities in ethnic areas, militarizing ethnic regions, resulting in land grabs, forced displacement, and violence against local populations, violence and genocide. The military's approach to ethnic minorities has often been violent, with accusations of war crimes, ethnic cleansing, and genocide, particularly against the Rohingya in Rakhine State. Similar patterns of violence have been observed in Kachin, Shan, and Karen areas, where military operations have displaced millions, Sikh resistance to federalism. Many ethnic minorities advocate for a federal system that grants them greater autonomy. However, the military strongly opposes federalism, fearing it would weaken its centralized power and control over the country mindset summary. The Tatmadaw's ethnic mindset is deeply rooted in authoritarian nationalism and an insistence on central control. While it promotes a narrative of unity, its actions have deepened ethnic divisions and perpetuated cycles of conflict. This rigid approach has stymied efforts to build an inclusive, multi-ethnic society in Myanmar, and remains one of the country's most significant barriers to peace and development. Despite calls for federalism and greater autonomy from ethnic minorities, the Tatmadaw clings to centralized power, fearing the loss of control. This mindset not only deepens divisions but also hinders Myanmar's journey towards peace and inclusivity. Join us as we delve into the complex dynamics of ethnicity and power in Myanmar's ongoing struggle for unity, the Myanmar military mindset toward ethnic minorities. If you enjoy this video, please follow, like, and share. Thank you.